Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites.
Hey loves, welcome back to yet another creative Monday. I hope that you do find it fun and creative. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on the subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. So yeah guys, on today's video we are definitely doing this look. Let's get right into our video.
We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.
What have we done? We have forgotten ourselves and each other, well, in the process of being right. Can we live together as we did despite very different lives? We have been missing each other, sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark, on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. Where are we now? Are we too proud to see each other through different eyes, to strive to leave the past behind and move to higher heights? 'Cause we have been missing brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. Right. No, it just ain't right. Have we always been the creatures of the night? Can we all begin to see by turning on the lights and make things right? We gotta make things right. 'Cause we have been missing each other, sisters and brothers, and we have been stumbling around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. Right. No, it just ain't right. We gotta make things right.
If I look around the mess someone made, I would only recognize your face. Wishing you had stayed, wishing you were here with me. If I hold that night with my bloody hands, would you tell me to stop myself? Kissing your forehead, falling for the words you said. 3 a.m. seems like a bad time to feel writing letters for someone that can't see that I'm hiding everything that I need, fearing that one day you will disappear. I would keep you like a safe place if I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, you and me, we dance as if distance is an odd disgrace. I just count the days to see you again, tripping over lanes. I'm losing your trace. If I love the gap between your teeth, that would mean I'm falling free. Your smile is a keychain I wear on my wrist. I keep you like a promise inside my skin. Missing you like I'm a kid lost at sea, crying tears like your love is something real, but I'm hiding everything that I feel to avoid the day you will disappear. I would keep you like a safe place if I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, you and me, we dance as if distance is an odd disgrace. I just count the days to see you again, tripping over lanes. I'm losing your trace. I will lose my way if you can't stay, tripping with my feet every time we dance. The whole chemistry between you and me, lost like your trace, lost like your trace. keep you like a safe place when I choose to lose my own pace. In my mind, all the time we dance, but the fate is our disgrace. I can't count the days to see you again, to be on the race. I'm losing your trace.
Open doors, no dark around us unless the bars have been broken up. Overcome the war within, caused by humanity, thirst for blood. Find the rhythm somewhere in your skull. The ancestors guiding whispers. It leads the way towards home. You know we cannot refuse to go. Footprints left in the wet sand, far from the end. We are never splitting. 100% certain now, more than ever. We're closer to being fine. Bound by this sound. Get on the groove, vámonos, yes I can speak Spanish too. Stand up and dance to this African vibe. Out on the streets you may find different tribes. No coincidence, we have crossed paths, so stay with us. Raised by then delirious, serious. That's the land of Origia. Find the strength lost in your soul. The ancestors guiding whispers. It leads the way towards home. No one refuses the call. Footprints left in the wet sand, far from the end. We are never splitting. 100% certain now, more than ever. We're closer to being found. By this sound, by the sound, by the sound, by the sound, by this sound, yeah. What have we done? We have forgotten ourselves and each other, well in the process of being right. Can we live together as we did despite very different lives? We have been missing each other, sisters and brothers.
And loves, we have come to the end of our Creative Monday. This was supposed to be an inspo, but then I decided, let me try something and let's see what happens. I think we did something. We literally just played with color and placed it on different spots. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? How do you feel about it? If you've watched my video up until this far, I just want to say thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!
Stomping around in the dark on the ground in the night, and it just ain't right. No, it just ain't right. No, it just spin.